Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel this morning, this afternoon, this evening. Depending on where you're watching me from. Welcome to Shmebering TV, where you find movies, lifestyle, travel, and so many things. You're all welcome. We appreciate you for joining us here. And like I said in my caption, we're still working on our new movie project, which is The Great Slave or Great Slave. Yeah, just a working title. The title might change, I don't know. But as we started, it's not been easy, but we're pushing it up to entertain you guys and go on, go. And in case you're just joining me, I would love to know where you're watching me from so that I can greet you specially. Nature is calling. Nature is calling me to go and sleep.
Who is your daddy?
Don't I tell you you're doing? Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Are you okay? Elaine looking the great. I'm sorry, I'm just tired, and that's why. Best welcome. Thank you for joining. How much you spent last month? 1.1 million. Benson. No, for my own pay, money will enter my own pay. What will you me? 1.7 million. Yeah, I'm about to sleep. But so let me go and talk to you guys. Yeah, definitely, I will do that. Whenever Aquara, bring that. Vami. We are cool to go. Come and take. Mr. Benjamin, you know, we that will have children, your child has to sleep before you sleep. Because if you sleep now, if I go to bed now, you see my boy who can't be hitting my head. Holding my eyes, be opening my eyes by force that she wake up. So that's it. That's a blessing that God has given to us. So until this boy will sleep before I'll sleep. You must go and make the two people more watching. So see now my boy is moving around. He's just going left, right. If I just tell him to sleep. Once I go inside, he'll just join me. The next thing, he'll start hitting my head, opening my eyes. I can you go and solo me? Alright, 16 coins. Well, it's fine. So, like I was saying, we're working on our new project, which is The Great Slave, and hopefully, if we don't shoot this month, we shoot next month. And for me, for our desire, we desire to be giving you movies like every month, at least 2 movies. But sometimes you face some financial challenges, and then you don't produce the way you want to produce. Although you don't want to sleep. But hopefully this month we'll try and produce something, and let's keep subscribing, let's keep sharing, let's keep liking, let's keep doing what we need to do to promote this channel. And as I have this channel, I've now had that membership. Nobody has only taken membership on my channel. No, I don't have someone like that. So guys, let me know where you're watching me from, so I can greet you specially. Open! It's not opening. Open! Open! Alright, take. Careful. Oh. So people can actually feel sound on the yaga. You know, what are you fishing every chicken? To 12 or to 11. It's the same thing. To 11 and to 12 is the same thing. TikTok no option with any gift. Happy to have videos. Oh, watching videos no option with any videos. Any gift. What I'm saying is, you're watching the videos. If they suggest you eating gift, a video like that. I used to watch a bit on TikTok.
Facebook.
Okay, I see on TikTok. Okay. I'll just spend 10 minutes here, then I'm out. What o'clock was ago? You just keep trying them. Although go yabo. Alright guys, I have to go now. Let me go and take care of this boy so that he will sleep, and then maybe I may stream tomorrow. Yeah. Although you need to sleep. Oh. What are you doing? Hi. Oh God. Check it. Car YouTube now. Them not going to do it, yeah. I mean, yeah.